Hello friends, welcome to Simply Food. Today I am going to show you not one, rather two types of hot chocolate recipes. First I am showing rich dark hot chocolate. Second one is Oreo hot chocolate. Both are too good and equally delicious. So now I am making the first one, rich dark hot chocolate. Into a pan, add 1 teaspoon butter. Into the butter, add 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix them nicely. Keep your flame on very low. I use cornstarch as a thickener for hot chocolate. Now add 1 cup of milk and whisk it very nicely about 3 to 4 minutes. Add chopped dark chocolate into the milk. When you add chocolate into the milk, make sure the flame is very low or off. Otherwise, chocolate can burn and it tastes bitter. When all the chocolate melts nicely, add 2 tablespoons icing sugar. You can also use powdered sugar, whisk it. Pour hot chocolate into a glass. Top it with whipped cream and some sprinkler. And 2 chocolate waffle sticks. Your rich dark hot chocolate is ready for a cold winter night. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting cooking videos. Our second recipe is Oreo hot chocolate. Into a pan, add 1 teaspoon butter, melt it. Add 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix them nicely. Now add 1 cup of milk. Whisk them for 4 to 5 minutes. When the milk is getting thicker, add white chocolate. Whisk them. At this stage, the flame should be very low or off. Now add crushed Oreo cookies. I have taken 5 to 6 Oreo cookies and crushed them by using a blender. Mix them. Now pour the hot chocolate into a glass. It will be a little thicker. Put some crushed Oreo cookies. Then add fresh cream. And put some whipped cream on top of the glass. Sprinkle some colorful sprinkler with 2 waffle sticks. Oreo hot chocolate is ready. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting cooking videos. Thank you.